Guys, share ko lang sa inyo yung nabili kong pork barbecue after church namin kanina. Akala ko masarap kasi ang daming pumipila. But anyhow, personal opinion ko lang naman to. So, makunat kasi siya. At the same time, yung tawa, oh my God. Check it out the video. Watch the full video ko. 3 minutes lang naman siya. Thank you! Kabili ako ng barbecue. Ayan, tender hams, tsaka siya ng manok. Ayan. Tara, kainin natin yan. Ayan. Ito po yung suka. Ayan, tingnan natin. Try. Ayan, tikman natin. Okay. Ay, pinakulat ako dito lang ko. Yan.
I'm dressed up today because I have to go to the bathroom. I'm going to my work. I'm not going to school. So I'm going to do.
Ano?
So cool, so cool. I'm so cool. So cool, so cool. I'm so cool. Feel so cool. I'm so cool. Yeah, just say I'm cool.
Hmm. Parang hindi ko bet yung barbecue.
You're my real sister, and I go with you because
Hindi siya masarap.
gonna stay in the secret.
Hindi siya masarap. Yung pork. Nabili ko siya sa Sunbury. Simba kami. Makunat. Pero since binayaran ko, kailangan kong kainin. Sayang naman. Pero in fairness, hindi siya masarap. Try. Hindi siya masarap. Kailangan ko lang kainin. Char. Kinukuha ko lang yung laman.